What's up, YouTube? We're back with yet another video, the second of this series, the G-SHOCK Street Spirit series, graffiti style G-SHOCK watches. This is the GA2100SS-1A. Let's get started. Let's go. Alright, YouTube, today we have the second watch of the 5-part watch series, the Street Spirit series. We have the GM2100SS-1A. Here's the tag for you there. GM2100SS-1. 5611 is the module. 5611 is standard for the 2100 series watch. And this is actually what this one is. A limited edition one, of course. So let's check it out. Inside you have the manual there for the 5611 module, which is the inner components of the watch. And here it is, the graffiti style Street Spirit series G-SHOCK watch. This one's cool. I love this one. It's actually my favorite of the series. It's an orange and blue colorway. You have, see, it says G-SHOCK there in graffiti style pattern, printed all throughout the watch in orange and blue. All right, nice tin. Open it up and we are met with the watch itself. Warranty card there. Won't be needing that. Watches are pretty much indestructible. Like I said, this one is my favorite of the series. It's actually very beautiful, very aesthetically pleasing right there. Let me show you guys. All right. Take this plastic off because I don't want to obstruct any of the beautiful colors and design of this watch. Oh, look at that. So this one does have a iron plated bezel there. So it is metal iron plated. And you can see it's got the blue colorway right on the dial there with the black and the orange accents throughout the watch. Very, very nice. Love this one. I think they did a great job with the colorway. The orange markers right there on the actual hour markers is beautiful. It looks very nice. It stands out against that gray metallic dial. And then you got the blue hands for the hour and minute. Very clean, very nice. I also like how the graffiti carries from the bezel onto the dial right there. It's pretty clean, very nice, very cool looking design. It's got the G-SHOCK that we saw on the tin, right on the actual band there. It is translucent yet again, so you can actually see right through it, through the light. Also has a stainless steel band keeper, like I mentioned before. All of the series here include that metal band keeper, which is actually nice. Some people don't like it. I think it's really nice. G-SHOCK resist on the band, as well as 1983 printed right on there. So this does have that graffiti design. So it's got the splatter design there. Pretty neat. Stainless steel buttons throughout. Iron plated bezel. And that look at ghost, that ghost design is just nice. Check out the back plate. No custom engraved back plate. It does have the GM2100SS printed on the back with the 5611 module. This particular model, the GM2100, does have a quick release band mechanism right there. So you pretty much disengage that mechanism there. It does release the bands pretty easy. It makes it easy to access the back plates for battery replacement purposes. Very nice watch. This one retailed, and let me show you guys the tag there. Retail for $310, the GM2100SS-1A. This one is the only one from the series that I've noticed is selling pretty well. It's hard to get under retail, but you can find it through some of the more gray areas, more of the gray sellers there for about $250. Now, if you don't want to take a risk, get it from a reputable source. It is $310, not like the other ones which you could get under retail. This one's actually holding its value, which I think is perfectly fine because of the design, the colorway, and the model used for this particular model is key. It's spot on. This watch comes in at 72 grams, which it's a nice weight. It is got a thin actual design there, so it's not bad. It's not robust. It does wear really nice on the wrist. I like this one. The battery has a life rating of 3 years. It's a pretty new model, so not a lot of tests on how long it lasts. 3 years seems pretty low. I would think this would actually last about 5 years with the quartz battery for this particular model. It does have cool features. It has world time, stopwatch, timer, 5 alarms plus a snooze, hourly signal, dual LED lights, and Eat Your Heart Out GA110. It's got a full calendar with a beautiful LED. Love this one. It does also have the hand shift feature, so you actually move the hands to the 12 o'clock position or somewhere along the display to give you visibility of the digital display, which is actually pretty nice. It does have the button hold and disable feature, so when you actually hit the mode buttons, you hear that beep it makes. You actually disable that if you choose. It has a 12 and 24-hour format, and let's take a look at this backlight. It got the it's got the glow on the hour and minute marker, not throughout the actual hour markers, which is fine. But that LED light is gorgeous. Look at how it illuminates the actual dial and the analog hands, which is perfect. It's got a dual LED, one right there, one inside of the display, so you get both the analog and digital display illuminated, which is perfect. One thing that the GA110 model does not have and should have. All right, so let's put this baby on the wrist, show you guys an overall look of the watch right there. And then put this baby on the wrist to show you what we're working with, how it looks on the wrist. I have a smaller wrist, but I think it looks great. And overall, colorful, vibrant colors right there. Nice combination of resin, orange translucent bands, and metal on the wrist. Very clean, very nice. Not for everyone, but if you have the watch and you have the ability to wear it, I say rock it. Why not? With the right color combination clothing, this one will look really nice in the summer. There you guys have it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next watch part of this series. Until next time, this is Chicago. Holla at your boy. I'm out of here. Peace.
My G-SHOCK, I'm rocking 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 my G-SHOCK.